Hey guys, hope you're okay. Welcome to Soft Solution Repairs, and it's Akil here. Here is iPhone XR with a smashed back glass, and we are going to replace the glass on this phone. First of all, we'll have to focus the laser pointer. In order to do that, we'll place this phone under location pointer and then press autofocus button. Machine then starts locating its focus by moving up and down, and once focus is located, indicator will light up and machine will stop moving. Then we'll open the software, and in drop down menu we'll select Apple, and from second drop down menu we'll be looking for XR back cover. Select it and then press load. Back cover will load up on the screen, and then we'll click on red light. Laser red light will turn on, and once we make sure the phone is on right position, we'll stop the red light and click on mark or press F2. And now laser is going to burn adhesive between glass and the housing. As we can see, laser has burnt all the adhesive under the glass, and it's going to come off very easy. So let's go ahead and remove broken pieces of glass. Once we have removed broken glass, laser is now going to remove leftover adhesive and clean the back side of the phone. So we'll place the phone under the laser again and open the software. This time we'll look for rear cover and load it on the screen. Rear cover is little bit different than back cover. Now we'll press red light again to make sure phone is on right position. Then stop the red light and select mark. The laser will start working again and clean all of the leftover adhesive. As you can see, housing is cleaned and its surface is even. Now we'll use our adhesive and stick new glass on it. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel to keep you updated, and ask any question in the comment below.